Hi guys, this is JCRC Gaming back with another video. And do you know what happened? I'll just give you an update. Well, there were a few new cats added in, and then I just was right now it's Epic Fest. I had two rare tickets, I spent them, and I got an Uber off my second one. Like how? I don't know how I did it. And no, this was not like the previous Chinese episode where I actually got sponsored some money by one of my parents. Yeah. Ooh. Built to resist extraterrestrial attacks with warp blocking and tough versus aliens. Enemy warp abilities do not affect this unit. But seriously, how? My luck is phenomenal. And I got another war god. Yes! I'm getting all of the war gods now. Transformed into a dragon through the cursed magic of the Nyanko engine. Area attack strong plus 100% knockback against black enemies. I think this is so good. This is much better than Robocat. I'm gonna go replace Robocat immediately. Oh, new cat combo. Ooh, what is it? Mm, what new cat combo? Where? There's nothing that's new over here. I don't see anything that's new. 100% knockback is so cool. But she is like extremely expensive. Yeah, that's kind of a bummer. But seriously, that was so phenomenal. The luck is just so good. I'm not even lying right now. I'm absolutely, completely, 100% serious. I had two rare tickets. You saw it that I got one like in a previous episode, but I'm serious. I got one Uber. I am not lying. Well, the more I say that, the more you think I lie, because of stupid reverse psychology. And let's test this one out. Just waiting and waiting and waiting, waiting, and it's done. That is cool. A dragon. How can you tell if something is cool or not if it's a dragon? If it's a dragon, it's automatically amazing. To me, at least. That took 1 minute. I can do all 5 battles if I'm quick enough. If I am quick enough, I can do all 5 battles in the few minutes that I have. I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna just keep on sending them out. The more the merrier. And then once I have enough, I'll upgrade. Upgrade again. And just destroy this place. I am not wasting time. I don't have time to waste. So just let me destroy all of you. Yeah. Boom. Dead. There we go. Okay, quickly, let's go. Gotta go fast. Weekend stage. Attack. Also, there's a event where you can get another cat. It's the Storekeeper cat, I think. And you get to fight against this chicken thing. All I know is that I think I fought it in an event stage before, and I hated it so much. I guess Epic Fest gives when there's Epic Fest I don't always do. Wait, I'm gonna try doing it. I'm gonna try creating a meme. Wait. I don't always. Wait. I failed that terribly. Let me try that again. I don't always open up rare tickets during Epic Fest, but when I do, I get Uber cats. By that I meant Uber rare cats, not cats that drive Uber. Not sponsored by Uber. I'm not sponsored at all. Well, except for the one of the previous episodes, but you get what I mean, right? Also, I didn't have enough time to just set up everything that I usually do set up, so the recording quality is gonna be much worse. But that was so amazing. Just 2 tickets, 1 Uber. Just my luck. And not only that, it was another war god. I swear, I think by the end of next year I will have every single war god by 2020. Sorry, not 2019, 2020. By 2020 I bet I will have every single war god by then. And I only bought only time I actually did buy something was other than the one in the previous video. Other than that account, in this account I only bought one thing, one platinum ticket. That's all I bought, and everything else has been completely free. Also, who doesn't like memes, right? Right? Starting to run out of things to say. Don't have much to say. Maybe I should make those silent videos that have music. And then I'll just talk at the start and at the end. Not much to say, as usual. You know how some videos that are not scripted go? They are like this, where you don't know what you're doing, and yeah, you don't know what you're doing. And I completed yet another weekly mission. Just need to receive that one more Gamatoto thingy and I'm done. 8 minutes into the video, and another gross cat. Another one. Seriously, you need to stop giving me gross cats. Or gross cats, or whatever they're called. Cats. Oh, last minute 125. I'm just gonna play this stage just so I can show this girl off. I'm just gonna stack up a couple of wall cats. It'd be funny if my wall cats actually killed those gories. Oh, they're starting to kill my wall cats. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm going to win. I'm just gonna use that one Uber. Okay, I lied. I'll be using Nobunaga as well. Cause Nobunaga's freezing effect is super powerful against black enemies. Actually, any kind of freezing effect is good for any type of enemy. Okay, send her out. Boom. Also, by the way, I didn't get a chance to upgrade her. Still level 1. I'm busy saving up XP to get for my Dr. Makako. It's important. Makako is important. There we go. Nobunaga. Missed. Fire. Never mind, you missed again, Nobunaga. Outdone by your friend. whose name I immediately forgot because I am terrible at memorizing Japanese names. I can memorize most of the others. I can memorize Oda Nobunaga, Mayday Kaiji. I can remember Takeda Shingen. They're just easier names to remember, I guess. If I can get out I got all 4 war gods. This is now not my triple war god deck, but this is now my quadruple war god deck. I am seriously not scared of you. Oh, no, she's not. Oh. This is not good. Oh god, that is not good. I love the 100% knockback. So useful. Boom. Knocked back. Ah. Well, I guess this will be the end. It's been a long day. And I'm gonna stop because of copyright reasons. And also because I don't know the rest of the song. And now, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. Right. Also, I'm planning on doing a music video. You know, my terrible singing. Yeah. My singing will bring upon the nightmares from hell. I know, it sounds edgy because it is. Spirit Bomb. The Spirit Bomb didn't destroy it. And it's too bad Takeda Shingen wasn't here. Well, sometimes you gotta. Sometimes you win them. Wait. Sometimes you win them and sometimes you lose them. I wonder what this becomes. Rover Cat. First cat produced by Nayasa. Built to. Yeah, I read that already. Why am I reading it again? Oh, yes. Because I'm an idiot. Yes, thank you. I know that. You don't need to remind me. Well, XP grinding is much more difficult than cat fruit grinding. To me, at least. At least cat fruit grinding isn't that bad. But, don't have much else to do. So this has been JCYC Gaming, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!